So today is Tuesday, December 13th, 2022. It is, what time is it? 7:30. And we're off to the ferry to get off of the Sunshine Coast onto the mainland. Heading to Langley today. Gonna go and stop at Travel Inn, get some work done on the van. I thought I'd do some recording. I know it's pretty dark, but it's pretty cool actually, going through here in the dark. It's been a long time since I've been in Gibsons in the dark. Oh, it's gonna be a beautiful sailing, I think. Get to see the sun come up over the snowy mountains. And that's just the beginning of the snowy mountains. I have a feeling I will see a few snowy mountains. Feeling much better today. Yesterday was a rather emotional day. I think just wrapping up and saying goodbye to a few people and the anxiety of the journey all kind of wrapped up into one. But today I'm feeling much better. I hope everything goes according to plan and we can get Ella taken care of. But I am not used to driving in the dark. Woo. My eyeballs aren't quite working yet. I've had coffee, I had my coffee. Yeah, I just, bing bing, can't quite see. That's okay, I'm going slow. So I'm not too sure if we'll be able to see the mountains once we're going down in the ferry. We shall see, I see. I just gotta not miss the turn off. Even familiar grounds in the dark can become unfamiliar. Keep thinking like I have forgotten something, but I can't. Ow, man, that's bright. Seriously? That's another reason why I don't like driving at night, is just the headlights of other cars. They just, I don't know, my eyes are not, I guess if you do it a lot, or, a bit, you get better at it. But normally we won't be on the road this early. Figuring probably 9-10 will be our average start time, but today we're just in Gibsons. The road conditions are fine and we have to catch a ferry, so always better done early in case there's broken ferries or something happens. There's always something happening. If they want to see my reservation. I have a reservation. Which I'm glad, because it looks like it's getting pretty full actually. Shockingly enough. Okay, here we are. We're going to turn off now and go down the big hill. Let's see if we can see the mountains. Oh, doggy, look at that. Yeah, off you go. Oh, that looks so pretty. Dang. Just gonna go slow here. Enjoy that. Look at that. Whoa. Odd shape. Oh, so excited. Whew. Feeling better. Yep. Oh, look at those colors. Oh, dang. Look at that. I hadn't seen mountains before, but, damn. See the sun coming up and then peeking out of the clouds like that? That's special. And that's why we're doing what we're doing. sights like that. And here we are to the ferry terminal. And there you have it. Lane 11. Oh, those mountains. I can still see them. Beauty. Alright. Now we wait. Alright, boarding the ferry one last time for a while. I know there's ferries on the East Coast, but I don't have to take them. That's the difference. This you kind of have to take if you want to get to somewhere. That we've managed to make it into Langley a little bit early. We can sort of drive around onto the side roads, the back roads, seeing a little bit more than just the town center. It's nice. Frosty fields full of crows and ducks. There's some ducks.